Good day, it's Graham Bibby on the 19th of November 2015 with your market update. Apologies that a couple of updates haven't been able to go through to you over the last week. We've been trying to send them out, they weren't going out for some reason. Perhaps as it was fortuitous because it seemed like every other day the market was telling us a different message. So here we go. Here's the Standard & Poor's 500. And I start off with my first update, which was going to be here, which showed that the market, after having this breakout trend here, looked really negative because it closed on the day down. And this little line on the right side here, if you can see it, let's make that a bit bigger. Here, it means it ended at the low, not great. And then the following day, didn't really penetrate above that. The next day, great. It had a sell-off. This is now, in hindsight, probably the mini climatic sell-off. And then during the day, it ended to the high. Only next day to see a strong and then end near the low. But last night's market action seems to tell me that the bulls are winning. We've broken up strongly above this kind of congestion area and even that high, so it looks pretty good. And then when we zoom here, that was the support level, which is held, and it looks very strong. Ideally, we break above this, and then we're away to the races. Well, we were very, very strong, and that would be a welcome sign. Now, if we look through some of the bellwethers, the new bellwethers of the market, Apple had broken out here very, very strongly. You don't normally see this much of a pullback. When you've broken out, you're normally in this upward direction, but we pulled all the way back to around the support level, and then we're on our way up. We're above the moving averages, so that looks pretty good. Avigo, well, it's a strong evening last night, 3.16, but we're kind of caught in this range. We really need to see the breakout one way or another to buy or sell. AOS Smith Corporation looks fantastic. It's been in an upward trajectory, mini sell-off. This is power. This is power. This stock looks really good. One of my favorites, Facebook, had one significant down day, then a big down day, but reversed during the day, and now we're up. That's the stop loss point at 100 at that previous high. Stock looks great. I still got big hopes for Facebook. Stock price, most of you wouldn't believe that I've got in mind. But just think Google, where that stock went. I think this stock has the potential to do the same. Starbucks, which I call my Chinese company, because its greatest growth is in China, its biggest profit margins are in China, had this correction. Nice. This is a very nice trend. This is support. It's broken out. That looks great. That's going to be added to new clients. And there's been quite a few of those recently. This is the NASDAQ. It came off support here. This is resistance. So this is support broken upwards. This moving average is moving up. This is turning over to go up. That looks pretty good as far as I can see. Dow Jones Transport, which moves things around, still in this range, but we reversed this down cycle. You see, here we're trending down this channel. We tried to break through it, and then we had a climatic sell-off. Climatic sell-off means weak holders of stock are all panicking. They're all selling. Once the weak holders have gone, if buying comes in, this is normally the stronger players are looking at a bit longer term. So this week, overall, I think the markets are looking much more powerful, and I'll be back to you with some more updates later in the week.